Hello and welcome back to our Angles for Oracle tutorial series. In our previous video, we walked you through the process of setting up a business view and integrating an SQL query. In this second part of our series, we will explore how to customize your business view to better suit your needs. Let's start with the Columns tab. Click on the Columns option. Here, you will need to provide descriptions for your columns. This will help you and your team understand the data better. Once you've entered the descriptions, don't forget to save your changes. You can do this by clicking on the Save View button. Great! Now that we have our columns set up, it's time to add related views. Navigate to the Join Relations tab. Click on the Join Relations option. Next, click on the Add Join button to start creating a new join relation. Under Join Attributes, you'll need to specify the view you want to join. Enter the name of the view, provide a view alias, and select the type of join you want to create. Now, let's map the columns. Under Column Mapping, click on Add Condition. Here, you can specify the columns you want to join. After entering the column details, click Save to finalize the join condition. You have successfully added a join relation to your business view. Having tailored the business view to your specific needs, it is now time to deploy it. Navigate to the Deployment and Reports option. Within this section, you will find the Deploy View button. Clicking this button will deploy our customized business view. Upon clicking Deploy View, the business view is now live and operational. Now that we have created, customized, and deployed our business view, let's explore the different versions that have been saved. Here you can see all the versions of the business view that have been saved. Each version represents a different state of the business view. You have the option to select a specific version and perform a suitable action on it, such as deleting it, reverting to it, or setting it as the active version. And that's how you can go through different versions of the business view that you have created and customized. Thank you for joining us. We hope this demo was helpful and informative.